Please proceed.
What do you mean by cell theory?
Cell theory, which is given by Robert Hooke. Cell theory is Clinton and Swan given cell theory. He is explain about the cell which is the basic building block of every living organism or non-living also. This is the basic building block of all living non-living organism. Cell is and it's modified by Bicro. He also says that cell arises from the pre-existing cell.
Okay, so first point is who given cell theory. In that you need to answer that Clinton and Swan. Okay, so they stated that all living organisms are made up of cells. Then that particular cell theory is reviewed by Nordler Virchow. Okay, who discovered cell and when?
Robert Hooke in 1665.
1665. Okay, can you tell me whether that was a living cell or dead cell?
No, ma'am, that is dead cell and it is a cork cell.
Cork cell, exactly. What do you mean by acute disease?
Acute disease, ma'am, the disease which is means small time, it's affect a person small time like common cold. That is the diseases affect very less time and it's after some time it is better. Cure easily, a person cure easily. That is in short time span.
Okay. Is acute disease is transmissible?
Yes, ma'am, it's very transmissible and it is infected person to another person.
Okay. Is acute disease is under our genetically transmitted disease?
No, ma'am, it's not genetically. It's a viral disease basically. So it is not genetically
So
transmitted.
it may be viral or it may be
Bacterial.
bacterial. Okay. So basically it is an acquired disease.
Acute.
Type of chemical reaction.
Ma'am, chemical reaction is divided into 4 types. 2 types. Ma'am, 4 types. It's displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation, reduction, and combination reaction. 5 types.
Decomposition reaction is another type.
Decomposition is
What do you mean by exothermic reaction?
exothermic reaction, the reaction which is energy released in that reaction. This is exothermic reaction and a respiration is the example of exothermic reaction.
What are the two big groups into which cells are classified?
Cells are classified into the plasma nuclear membrane and eukaryotic prokaryotic is 2 group cell divided on the basis of eukaryotic and prokaryotic. An example is mycoplasma in prokaryotic and in human all plant goes higher that belongs to under eukaryotic cell.
Explain dihybrid cross.
Dihybrid cross given by Mendel in which he takes 2 characters at a time and he cross them.
What are those two characters?
Color and height.
Shape of the seed and color of the seed. Okay. Can you tell me the ratio of dihybrid cross?
Dihybrid cross 9:3:3:1.
This is the genotypic ratio or phenotypic ratio?
Ma'am, this is a genotypic ratio. Phenotyping on color.
Phenotypic ratio. Yes.
Genotype is very big.
What is the genotypic ratio of monohybrid cross?
Genotypic ratio. 1:2:1.
Yes. What is genetic drift?
Genetic drift is a change of genetic character when species move from one place to another place due to some geographical reason or any kind of problem. These 2 genetic species cannot mutate another. This is genetic drift.
Explain. What are the methods of teaching science? There are a lot of methods. Do you know? Can you name any 5 of them?
Yes.
Answer it.
5 method teaching science: experiment method, demonstration method, micro teaching, group learning, and demonstration cum discussion method. These are the 5 basic methods. But experimental method is preferred most in our now, because when students learn experimentally, they learn better. Their concept is better, I think, and now it's applied in every school. In
Do you
5
think
methods.
you have said micro teaching? Do you think micro teaching is meant for learning process, or it is being done before the teaching process?
Sir, I don't understand.
Micro teaching is generally meant to teach the student in the class or to teach the pupil teachers.
People teachers.
So it cannot be done in the general classroom.
Sir, elaborating method is another kind. I can add it. Elaborating method in class.
Lecture method.
Lecture method.
Do you think lecture method would be best suitable for the upper primary learner?
No, sir. It is experimental.
So how can you make your lecture interesting?
By experimental method, I can make my lecture more interesting, because
So you are saying experimental or lecture?
experimental method. But you asked me 5 methods, so I mentioned that.
So can this general lecture, can it be interesting or not?
Sir, it can be interesting.
How it will be interesting?
Sir, by showing various type of graph, various type of pictures in class, student may be attracted to these things.
So when will be posted in one OAVS, would you like to go for lecture method?
No, sir, I always
Then
go
you are
with
saying that you can make it interesting.
Sir, I go to experiment method because science.
Without lecture method, the huge syllabus of NCERT can be covered in the stipulated time.
Sir, after
Without lecture method, the huge syllabus of NCERT that is mentioned in OAVS schools can be covered in the stipulated time.
yes, sir, it can cover it.
How?
Sir, by experimental method, we
Can experiment method be applicable to every topic of science subject?
No, sir, both can.
No, sir. No, sir.
Both can apply in that.
Then, can you answer me to this? Suppose you are writing on the whiteboard, some of your students are creating nuisance in the last bench. They are creating so much noise that is irritating you. You become angry. Then what will be your approach towards them?
Sir, angry is the not solution of every problem.
Yes.
Sir, as a teacher, first learn to understand student,
Yes.
and I ask him to come in front of me and ask him, "Are you making noise? Is there any problem?" And I come sit in the first bench of row. That I can look after him that he cannot make noise further. And after I finish my class, I talk him personally that what is the problem. Maybe he did not understand my teaching method. I can modify my teaching method for better understanding and better in class, so that student can be actively participated in my class.
What sorts of ICT tools can be used while teaching science?
Project method, projector, PowerPoint presentations. These are the things I see.
Anything more?
Audio visual aid,
Yes.
and laptop can be used.
Yes, obviously.
Sir, these things are.
There are so many softwares also have been developed in the field of science teaching that can be applied, because the new NEP 2020 is being completely based on digitalized education. They are more focusing to give a complete ICT based classroom. Okay? Are you a